like whatever part you oh my god. Okay, Presto.
By the name Annabelle, winds up being adopted by a nice family in Santa Monica. There, she grows up, runs away, joins a cult, and then returns.
There's nothing to say that you don't find a better job in a different place later and move again. That none of this is none of these.
Always a car double park.
So 31 or 32 would pay it.
Always.
Pay it off in 2 years. 21 would pay it off in 3 years.
He's just tailgating hard by. Look at that. Look at that. Why you, there's no need to tailgate someone that bad. Look
Manual
at that.
recording will now
Okay,
start.
Presto. That's crazy. There used to be one here.
Manual recording will now start.
Okay, Presto. No, it's not supposed to be doing that. Anticipating the light. You might as well just eat the shit at this point. Look at that. Is it that serious?
Of all 3 of those things with this proposal. Yeah. No long distance landlording, no debt, and no high risk stock investments.
This is so
when we're
fucking
done.
annoying.
And then you can settle in.
I can't stand double
and
parking.
enjoy the next portion.
I really can't. It's like you gotta wait. Like, it's so selfish.